Exactly. Even my parents are so proud of me right now. But I'm a peggy because
No
like,
peggy,
now,
yeah.
I'm not going music going be But these days at least we have tried to change everything.
True that.
Yeah.
True that. All right, Win Radio, it's your Gatiki Joel Fresh in the building. And yes, we are doing activation on May 15th. December poro ichia beach madiri majani biberulia mapidong twere mel I password in the first section of pen material we are getting deeper into you man me fresh experience now and the team collaboration kilo we madwong mapidong twere wa kwina yap and futi latest team again ki middle vibes we no emergency ukataki about Laxi featuring and DJ Joel Fresh kong nak we are chill Katakibota Young Dallas, Kachen and Gelke DJ Joel Fresh. Ube a hit song as well. Kilwoni Kwo. I mean, Feel Kwo. Yes. Work and man la win radio.
Yo.
Now, we shall now get to main point. Whereby now you will talk about the program itself. The activities, very yeah. Manage a game. Meaning though.
Yeah, it's baby girl. Hello?
Waja.
Good morning.
That's young. Yeah.
I'm at the radio
Okay.
station.
Good news.
I'm at the radio station.
Okay, I can't wait to be here.
Right now,
I hear about going to
Okay, let me pass it. Okay. Now, message number one. Kampala. The booking table.
Me have a nigga. So, when you're going to talk about it,
Yeah.
the way I'm going to be able to talk about them, the price tags, and then maybe a few things most people should should expect.
Bro. Yang mai jadi yang orang bilang, tiap pada kami akuri tiga piala dah kadang show tu. Ada yang orang ada begini pedido. Okay. Where wanna use ni kidogo na wewe wewe.
Uniize ni. Wewe uniize kilo ni ching malo.
Ching malo wanna use na ching malo.
Yeah.
Macam berapa? Para ya.
Go you walk cái giá đồng năm đầu tiên.
Ching malo kalau kaya.
Yeah, man, again,
Share YouTube.
Yeah, Peppa. I downloading it, boy. Do it again. Okay, we're getting back.
Feel quiet. Hey.
Okay, and mega feel Monday to Monday. No, I think you Now, fresh.
Yo.
But we're going deep into the fresh experience. You know, Laguni Fude was talking about Slick Stewart and Roger.
Yeah.
Okay, DJ Slick Stewart and Roger. Because they came out Chigomio, Ature, Mero Yeta DJ Shiro,
Yeah.
and they were like, Shiro inspired them to DJing well and also, do more of a collaboration. Now, as in, what is actually the idea behind all this? Because Ning Joel actually win pingo. DJ Joel Fresh go where can a young Dallas pingo. Kuntuone no pere ye erg DJ Joel Fresh. What is the secret behind collaborating Monoki?
Okay, with collaboration, kila way it helps you make chattel away work in DJ when so that is another part of branding and taking over the industry, the music industry. because collaboration no team konya wafula.
Yes.
Ramo bedo power but ina ke wa DJ shiro be we andanga mere 2 5 6
spin doctor
but it is still you know at least idea I want to
yeah.
But ngayo di tol pe magario. So what I'm we get everyone no me bit kid it has to be like that. Because Paramo way of us when we get around a DJ, that is just a collabo.
True that.
Yeah, so but you know, Jimmy Kachil, I'm not done what you're in. Yeah.
Okay, that's wonderful. Now, Atamani, these are we radio can walk with it on here. Doesn't mean I don't. Yeah, we you first what you're talking about and go DJ Joy.
So Kadugi school now pano there. Kadugi school now watching MTV the beat. So I'm inspiring. I'm a full with a Selector J.
Selector J.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kai new Selector J.
He's a legendary.
Yeah, he's a legendary right now. He's a legendary DJ, but
True.
he's still good. So Selector J are inspiring and a lot by the way. And then I think I can also do this.
True that.
Yeah, then a bit of pain I started doing. People always ask, Nijo DJ Gine pera my chair school I just made the way I've been on Jimmy YouTube how things are done and I really wake up between because I really wanted something like that. I wanted like to be that good DJ. I mean I love DJing industry, so I better opportunity. Can America.
I love
and
that.
Right now we're going to work academy, Magalwani podium DJs Uganda.
I think it also made you scoop couples of deals.
Yeah.
Uganda. If there's any big event, talking of not this mine again. Let's talk of companies. That way we have seen you several times on Capital FM events, Club Doom.
Yeah.
And right now there's open mic. I think going down.
Yeah.
You don't always miss.
Yeah, true.
So anyway, come on, that channel.
Yeah. Don't think I do it. Yeah, true.
Anyways, now let's get straight up into the main event.
Yes. Adong Music, Mixola, Bukatimi, Kampala,
wow,
Man CJ, Apio. The way it won't fall, bro, because Jimmy and I have a so the way they have always been with me. So the way it doing and MCs we better bet Jomoken Bakilera, MC Dogo Bakilera, MC Cash Wakabi, we better MC Lucky, MC Young Money, and Ian Kikumibe, Mr. Elephant, MC Ricky, we better because wanna chill. So Jimmy it's gonna be fun. Kibana DJs Matia Magabu being supporting and Jamokan Makilia like Storm, Kan Frisco, Emma, a lot of DJs man. In fact a lot of DJs men than Uganda when Poleg with Papa Canada Gate as always. When Berukit Alibaba then Enemy better General, yes. Alibaba. Then Jamamir table, Bella Mia Rio, any Pidana Beach.
Okay.
That's
great. Yeah. Okay, I think we have this summarizing of when and Kache Guadon pay you never to like Guaya winner. Error while you're clearly Lawin radio. If you don't actually listen to Acholi, we are having what is called Fresh Experience, and it is more of a celebration to DJ Joel Fresh. It happens, in fact, yearly, right? This is the third season. The third season. Okay, that we are celebrating of Joel Fresh, and it's going to be happening at Password at only 10,000 Ugandan shillings, and a table for 5 is going in for 200,000. You don't want to miss out collections of musicians, DJs, and MCs all on one stage. Mero Password. Okay, Kapega Password. Level line.
Between the city.
Hey yo. And look at the kind of canyon. Now, Joel.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll win keyboard down at and then in case there's availability of maybe a ticket or two, I don't know.
Yeah, I think I'll give two
tickets.
Yeah,
okay, the lucky ones. Okay, to the lucky ones. Now, any dong mere lugumkomba in our team jero abero abichela beach adera bida beach abero jero ario any line mano ram actually goya direct piano kay ni chwa la mero WhatsApp. I will not actually be able to, to read it out. You go up around penny, la pen. So me go direct, catch a unity ticket, and we're having the first sharp caller. Hello. Choice FM. One team a wing we are I quene. LA wedding on Rasta. Man don't get what LA don't know that time when la chu quene. Loa John, you need me to carry. Team may be old John way. We and Joel Fresh Congo Chiri kill a pain get gamma pap take carry kumi.
Tinning on it, bro. More riding on. Okay. I follow you. Yeah, I'm getting DJ Joel Fresh my bag. So I made a watch on the weekend. The way man, when a man we pull will take a supporting him. The way man will take a supporting him in the 15, eh? Now tell again. Ah, it's here around the bro.
Batolo boy.
And Mr. Where you pour?
Anna, you know, go gumbe le pino over your no kawa ride na right no. Iwe nyingani. Jimmy, why come full name you? Come full name Jimmy. Ujok Jimmy. Now Ujok Jimmy kikwana nama Jimmy kong. Nama chim mamigi. 0765 05 0110 0765 05 0110. Now, Ujok Jimmy, ibi bino beach chawa abor. And what again manure eat your Ujok Jimmy. Win you? Hey, your being reception, meet your FM, chawa abor, it's your beach. Come on, ba? All right. One no po go in the champion a studio pe go in the team yende cat ni lo ti cat e bi no reception me choice. Okay, all right, I for. Okay. All right, I'll win radio mergi gum kom ke wani ke me na rio ke ken an airline je congested ma pe don't worry, I'm telling you. Hello. Choice FM. Hello. Eh, it look much more pay wing dog. Eh, you didn't know pay mar chai. Angai quene. I beg you, what's full name? Mere me take care way. Eh, why my bay? I beg hang out, you can full name, me gone. I beg Palton. Palton. Ah, Palton, my PAL. PAL, kidong TON. Hey, Palton. A year among you can pay. Now we are worried about Joel Fresh, which you kill a pen.
Ingin sister, don't go. It's you, but go pen. Ingin. But I bless you. Ingin come a password here. Tia is straight, my man.
Tia is straight, my man.
Straight, man. Go to city.
Opposite no. Hey. Okay, Palton. Ingin lu tiar monda ke query adon je chili hadi. You know, in fact, la pen ma gida de kerene. He take a boyfriend. Ay abas, don't sure. Now me na ma chima megi ina pay me pay na pay because take a pay boyfriend here 07 0761 10 29 79 yeah, okay. 04. Now I bet Palton being a chair beach our board reception me choice. Enter working on you're in a bed Palton. Romber ID, romber and the same number, I'm making it Jimmy Bionuka into a confirming. All right. Now, kilo boyfriend pay nani, you are more beautiful, you do good. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Now, the thing is, Joel.
Yeah.
The line is super congested, but maybe a gandong down area can me no time. Chiche guang kalong mo can see Joel Fresh. Win radio don't know Ramalong Merki Joel Fresh. I know, but tickets oh no low chapter ne. Hello. Won't go to get Natasha give me on joy to get in fact, so Yugi. Look at Joel Fresh.
Hello, tuning on. For the man in on the quantity. It network, the MTN. You know, Pelare. So, okay, what I go on about DJ Joel. I'm going to my only camera playing your music. Oh.
Enter, if we don't need fresh, Joel Fresh, and we need quick.
Oh, thank you.
So, man, on Kerong Bego pay you the way they lock it down life. But I'm on nice, make good. Okay, no, me wrong with Joel. True.
Oh, for my terror.
Of course. Now, Nash. You don't pay pa one will be uploading and giving in Nargay media. Here why you need Nargay media. Wait potting one media in the parabit. All right, thank you. All right, maybe the last lucky caller. Pianicha watch you got 2 more win radio. Last lucky caller. Hello.
Yes, answer
Wagwan.
Yes, ma'am, I'm for it.
Hey, who be this?
The socialist.
Aïe. Le duc de socialiste.
Yes, the support the socialist.
Are you Joel Fresh à quelle heure boire? You ready and quelle heure qu'elle?
I'm doing fresh.
I'll for your brother.
Well, man.
For my dad. Oh, for my dad, bro. Hey. I'll for my dad, bro. Romantic, right? Hey.
The socialist. If a boat town cancel, can you be too near more? Will be too to one full squad, one Joel Fresh, will be on a rubudier of a tag. There's no problem. But on what team get any, Kiro no Piero Iberi Carmen and Joel Fresh, a con Larry, you take Bino, in a pebble. Hey,
for my dad. I'll for my dad, bro. Thank you.
All right, okay. Due to Chawa la win radio line correct congested pedong na ramogamo miracles igini duju piano dong no be on me have piwo chiro ati ije mukene now Joel before while closing maybe can make on your last wordings and what people should expect.
Yeah, on Friday, I'm here with you. Jamo bereka fresh experience. Magongo bereka karni. They know what always happen. Bubero mad para come level silo mad para.
Yes.
It's gonna be fire. Just make sure you come through with party together and be supporting Latin gang. Ingel team ne beru kir ene na no Kampala with the kir lock and na Ricky about 60 Watt and Roger maybe gini. They come and support. We're gonna down on down their music industry down. So me one who very kitchen chair can tell at the end you will get more can at least but be no supporting we're better know Wapilu Acholi bana. Yeah, we have been Acholi. My time we have been okay walk chengo. So I like Acholi went down and went like a Burma part. Obiano went past for lunch and then the part beach and each beach. Obiano, let's make history together.
Exactly.
We didn't make a daily monitor. Obiano okay.
Kuidanity majesty.
You know, Chope wawe yang gulu karabene. Gulu City, another Uganda is like this.
Exactly.
Yeah, Pilu Uganda.
True that.
Pedon Mirodano, Kichaka Pilu, Luteramiro, one music industry Pilu Udana.
True that.
Yeah.
True
So
that.
Kalekudana when the Bion Wabiru Kachi, let's party together. Yeah, Kibana Kaiti Guare, Kisapa, Mama, Mer supporting fresh. And Guaramero in the Latini Berry Academy, Mabodwa, a podium DJs. I think now I'm calling. You can get to me direct or to my management. I think now my number is 0784. 0784 307548.
True.
Yeah, and now I'm contacting and I made a 4 team as STN. STN is like gang mamego kan wa ake
True.
Podium DJs kinwale ye man CEO the MC Cash Wakabi Tiki Workers Professor Mat MTA bana ye kan there manager Walter and everyone in the team. Yeah, camera 4 management me password me na kabelo and Laviet Bosco I made a 4 my tech.
True that.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, eno charge kwano me na machine, but remember he's a DJ who is who is flexible.
Yeah.
You know, he only doesn't play in one place.
Yeah.
So can you tell me I think you have to. They can contact the same number.
Yeah, the same number.
Yeah, the same number.
0784 307548. Yeah, kitike yuba mo ikan me mero
Kono nyom. Baby shower.
Mero bit colorful.
Birthday parties.
Yeah.
Anything.
Yeah.
True that. All right, Halloween Radio. Chawa charge tomorrow, but can ke chod me chigo before maybe don't bye ke Joel Fresh ke WhatsApp and then I quite a chili can.
Yeah.
Ruba Kene, Isaac Jawani, hi Ricky. Thanks for the great show and man, thanks for actually bringing DJ Joel Fresh in the studio. So I myself, I can't miss out, bro. Big up DJ Joel Fresh.
Thank you.
Man, that is real love, real love, real love.
So much, man. I love it so much.
SMS duong this is Patrick Ricky. Let Fresh sample his mix now. Okay, the thing is, we are here to activate.
Yeah.
You know, we are here to activate the Fresh experience.
Yeah.
Mukendi tiare nyange kuno.
Yeah, boberu part.
Yeah, but then, ani nyong will money kenyo abi wait buko beti any we are likely to start a program Merwan ke Joel Fresh ipiarunga na Rio Town Achel kay net polar this year, then early next year no chiki program mano wa jwar ma shabe ruwa marma live in radio ipiarunga na Rio Town Achel Choice FM. It is actually under progress and very soon no Joel Fresh tiokati meno ka joining meno Batwa kan ipiarunga na Rio Town Choice FM. No in me ni ma wa kwali ngwe da wetu piar ni na danje me mix ma migo pero twa. Come on ba. Anyways, Joel Fresh, thank you man for coming through.
Yeah, thank you
and,
so much.
Man, I'm just so grateful. I'm happy for you as well. Pianing you, maintaining and on getting my tag loyal. Nyinka maintaining on tag loyal. So, the boy team make it is very impossible. Ikiraba win a kwano nyingo kare kwano Kasho Wakabika, and he has been doing great and I really appreciate him for that. You know, he's a wonderful guy, creative guy. And personally, I also look up to the guy. You know, I really like the guy. I love him as a brother, I'm telling you. And you're mentioning Woko, Professor Woko. You know, he's a hardworking young dude. And he's also, by the way, an artist, cheeky couples of songs. Mati Borwa Kain Ben as well. He's a digital influencer as well, and a marketer. Anyway, so he's also doing great job for you. I think we're closing in Merki Wea Chain Manokati Bareki board in Kiluni. Okay, like featuring Mel Easy Kiluni Ching Maro. All right,
thank you so much.
And that is it. Yeah, near the parabit. Let's link up.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're ready. We are jumping back and into the Crazy Drive Show. We're taking with a Joel Fresh, catching it easy. Then we'll be quite a bit of Marana. Katakibota Professor Wokos and may know the better is part of the managing team, Manpa, DJ Joel Fresh. Now, let's conclude it this way.
DJ Joel Fresh.
Do this steady.
Easy. If you make your money, where are you? Where are you? Hey. Where are you?
Facebook though, they live.
Where are you?
If you're single, where are you? Me, I'm not single.
Yo, it's all about Friday. Flex Experience Season 3. Yo, we are doing a password launch.
Now, I know only thing they give it on that day, so that thing up and down messing up. Yeah. So you can bring it over. Chap, pay up in Younger John full right now. You know,
He be on phone.
but pretty big there. Yeah. So, get it off me reception, the Uganda reception. I forward in English the reception. Then it's okay. Yeah.
Where are you? You don't need man to mingle. Where are you?
The show was energetic.
Pero beba.
Yeah.
Ate waka jana maawa. Yeah, yo maraja.
So need a parabit what password.
What did you like?
Where are you?
Where are you? We are doing that. Your knees, so let me go see what you are doing a request. Program is now following my right. I think it is the most followed program. The choice. Program is doing.
You can go better down the poro.
Hey, look at the song.
Look at the
Tell the social the way. Look at the way the people. Yeah, big king.
DJ Joel Fresh.
We're there on the big
Yes. Yo.
I get away. Where the baby?
Good. Professor. Boys, we are on plan, but we don't know excitement.
No, go again.
I don't want. I don't get no flash down.
I do again.